Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create an approval form inside of Microsoft Forms. And this is going to be very useful if, for example, you want to create a leave request or something like that. So let's go for new form in here. That's going to be the first step. And now what we're going to make use a lot here is we're going to use AI for this, okay? We don't want to waste too much time. So let's give this a very concise name for a leave request and also a very short description, right? And now, once we have done that, what we can do is we can use the AI function, which is this ray icon in here. And that's going to give it a set of frequently asked questions based on our description, okay, which in this case is going to be a leave request. So for example, you have different, fields in here that are going to be useful for this kind of document. Like, I don't know, days requested, supervisor name, employee ID number, and all of that. So let's just add a bunch of them, a bunch of random options. And that's pretty much. You can slow down the video if you want, but after you're done, what you want to do is you want to preview your document. So to check that everything looks good, basically. So you're going to go up to this button here, which says preview in here, right? And now you can see how it will look like for any user that sees this, okay? So that's it. Thank you very much.